Hey, welcome back to Worshipper Academy. Okay, in this lesson we will start covering the C major scale or the key of C. Okay, so the C major scale is made up of all white notes on the piano. Okay, so we find the key of C. Okay, and if we just play each note consecutively going up, we will get the C major scale. Right now you don't have to worry about fingering, I just want you to understand the C major scale. You start with C, and you end up an octave above on C again. So you play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? And that's a C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Alright? So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Can you try that? Go ahead and play the C major scale, starting with the note C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. If you played that, that is correct. Okay? So now that we understand the C major scale and the notes that it contains, what we're going to do now is we're going to build a C major triad. It's a chord, a C major chord. Now this chord is made up of 3 notes, okay? And basically the way it works, the easiest way to understand it is to play C, you skip the next note, which is D, you play E, you skip the next note, which is F, and you play G. When you play all those 3 notes together, you get a chord. And this is the C major triad, okay? You can play it like that with your right hand. And for right now, with our pointing finger, we're going to play C only on our left hand. And we're going to play it together like this. Alright, let's try it again. Congratulations, you just played your first chord. This is a C major triad. It's a C major chord. Same thing. And we just call it C. So you're not going to say C major, C. You're just going to say C. If a chord's minor, then you're going to call it minor. But right now, for the major chords, we're just going to call the name of the note. So, C. Okay? Now, you can take this shape of play one, skip one, play one, skip one. In other words, play one, skip one, play one, skip one, play one. You can get that pattern. Memorize the pattern, because you're playing one note, you're skipping one note, you're playing one note, you're skipping one note. And just take that same pattern and now do the same thing, but now you're going to start with F. Okay? So you find F, you play it, you skip G, you play A, you skip B, and you play C. And now you have F. Okay? So now let's go back to C and play C, the C chord. Okay? And now we're going to go play F. Okay? C, F. Okay? And now let's do the same thing with G. Okay? Here's F. We're just going to scoot one up. We're going to play one, skip one, play one, skip one, play one. And we get G. Okay? Let's play G again. Let's play G again. You should be playing on your right hand G, B, and D. Okay? Now that we're comfortable with playing G, let's go down to F. Now let's go back up to G. Now let's go back down to F. Now let's go ahead and play G. Let's go ahead and play F. Let's go ahead and play G. Let's go ahead and play F. Let's go ahead and play G. Okay? I'm doing that so you get accustomed to switching between these two chords, F and G. If you need a little bit more time, you can go ahead and pause it and just practice so you can kind of move these shapes back and forth. See, and if you just keep that shape, you can move that shape up and down the whole scale, the whole C major scale. Okay? I know I did it really fast, but I'm just showing you that you can move that shape around in the key of C and it looks exactly the same everywhere we go. So we have C. Now we can play the same shape in A, and this would give us A minor. Okay? This is a minor chord. It has a little darker sound, and I'll explain that later. Just for now, just know that it's A minor. Okay? And now let's go back to C. Okay? And now let's go to A minor. Okay? Now notice that when we're building these triads, when we're building these chords, we're basically finding the note. So we're finding C, say right now with our thumb on our right hand, and we're finding C on our left hand with our pointing finger, and then we build the chord. See? Now if we can do that without actually spelling it out, if we can just find the notes, hover over them, and then press them down together, okay, that's going to help us get there faster. Okay, so now when I'm going to A, I'm going to line up my thumb on my right hand and my pointing finger on my left hand over A, so I know I'm starting in the right place. Right? But I'm not going to play it like that. I know I'm hovering over A, and then I'm going to skip one, play one, skip one, play one, and then I'm going to hit that chord. See? So now going back to C, and then I line up and play A. Going up, I line up over C and play C. Okay, we line up over A and play A. Now let's line up over G and play G. Sorry. Perfect. Now let's line up over F and play F. Let's line up over G and play G. Grandma, ready? Let's line up over A and play A. Auntie. A minor. Okay. Let's line up over C and play C. Okay, so you want to take a moment and just get comfortable switching between these chords. First of all, constructing the chord, building it by looking at the piano. You play one note, you skip one note, you play one note, you skip one note, you play one note. Okay? And that'll give you the C triad, the C chord, when you play C as its root. And if you play A, it'll give you an A minor. If you do that over G, it'll give you a G major or just G. If you do that over F, it'll give you F. Okay? So, practice going between the chords. And when you play the chords, go ahead and name them. Okay? So what am I playing right now? If you said C, that is correct. What am I playing right now? If you said A minor, that is correct. What am I playing right now? If you said F, or front door, that is correct. What am I playing right now? If you said G, or grandma, that is correct. Okay? So now we're going to play a specific pattern. We're going to play C. Okay? Ready? Go ahead and play C with me. Okay? And then we're going to play A minor. Find it. Play it. Then we're going to play F. Keep going down. Find it. Play it. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to play G. Going up one. Find it. Play it. It should look like this and it should sound like that. Okay? Awesome. Okay, now we're going to use that pattern to play a little song in the next video. So just jump right into the next video. Ready? We'll see you there.